good morning, dear smarts. We are in direct speech and indirect speech. I think you got some more knowledge. Today I am going to explain the topics interrogative questions. Interrogative questions. Sometimes asking, some others are interrogative. The questions are two types in interrogative. Interrogative questions are two types. The first type is, there are two types of questions. Questions that have yes or no answers. Questions that have yes or no answers. Yes or no answers means, for example, first suppose, have you done your homework? What is the answer? Either yes or no. If you have done, yes, I have done. No. Do you want coffee? Yes or no. This type of answers, questions called yes or no answer questions. And sometimes we don't say yes or no. Where is the post office? A stranger asked me, where is the post office? We don't say yes or no. We have to say where the post office is. And also, which class are you studying? We don't say yes or no. We say what we are studying. Where are you going? We don't say yes or no. I am going to. Say some answer like. So questions two types. In the first type, yes or no answer questions, we use instead of that, if or whether, WHETHER. If we expect yes or no answers, if we yes or no answers, if we expect yes or no answers, then we use if if or whether, WHETHER, if or whether, instead of that, if or whether, after the words asked, if or whether. Example, mother asked me, do you want to buy a pen? Mother asked me, have you done your homework? Of course, mother asked me, have you done? Mother asked me, have you done your homework? Mother asked me, have you done your homework? Put capital letter this. Have you done your homework? Question mark. Mother asked me, start inverted commas, have you done your homework? It's a question. Have you done your homework? What is your answer? Yes. If you have done, yes. If you did, no. So, in indirect speech, mother asked me, in questions we don't use that. If we guess yes or no answer question, immediately we use if or whether. If is very simple spelling also. Mother asked me, if have you done your homework? Immediately use subject. if. What is the reporting subject? Mother, third person. Me, object, first person. Reporting subject, third person. Reporting object, first person. So in reporting speech, all first persons must change to the third person. All second persons change first person. Because object is first person. So, mother asked me if have you second person change first person. If I had done your second person, your change to first person. What is the first person of your? My. If I had done my homework. Full stop. Remove question mark. Again I explain. Mother asked me, have you done your homework? Smile. First mother asked me, you don't change. Put if. Observe reporting subject and object. In reporting speech, all first person pronouns must change through the reporting subject. If the subject is first person, we change first person. Subject is third person, we change third person. All the second person pronouns must change through reporting object. Reporting object person. So children, if I had done my homework. Copy down. The stranger asked me, a stranger asked me, have you eaten lunch? Have you eaten lunch? A stranger asked me, or else my friend asked me. A stranger asked me, have you eaten lunch? It is. If anybody asks us, have you eaten lunch? Yes or no. If we have, yes. If you don't have, no. Stranger asked me, if I, you changed I, if I had eaten lunch. If I had eaten lunch. And my friend, mother asked her daughter, asked her daughter, mother asked her daughter, are you ready? 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 Yes, mom, or no, mom. So, mother asked her, mother asked her daughter. Here, what is the reporting verb? Asked. This is third person. Subject, object is also third person. Mother asked her daughter, are you ready? If you changed, what is the object? Her daughter, third person. You change it to third person, her. Or she. You change it to she. Mother asked her daughter if she was ready. If she was ready. Just remove question mark. And some more. Can take some more example. Rama asked Hanuman, have you finished the work? Rama asked, have you finished the work? So immediately Rama asked Hanuman, have you finished the work? It is yes or no answer. If you changes to third person Hanuman, if he had finished the work. Okay, children, practice some more sentences. Use if for whether. Tomorrow we'll practice some more topics on WH questions. Okay, bye bye.